Hello and welcome to the tutorial of Selenium setup. First of all, in order to set up Selenium, we have to install Java and IntelliJ IDEA. IntelliJ IDEA is a IDE used for writing Selenium code. So for prerequisite, I am going to install Java in my machine. So in order to install Java, you have to navigate to the oracle.com or you can search through Google Java SDK download. You will navigate to this page and then you have to scroll down and download this JDK in your machine. It all depends that whether your machine is 32-bit or 64-bit. At the moment, I have 64-bit operating system in my machine. I have already have downloaded JDK in my machine. So let's see. Here we have this JDK downloaded. Let me install this one. So JDK installation is started, and now it is asking me to create folder. So I have to change this location, and let me create a folder on the path on D drive with name Java. Okay, and let me proceed. Now it is downloading Java in my machine. So installation is in progress. Okay, let's click OK. It is asking me to install JRE. So let me select the same location, that is Java. The folder is not empty. Okay. So, okay, let's install on the same location. So Java installation has been started. Okay, let's close. Java has been installed on my machine. Let me check what other things I have to do. I have to set the path. So for this, I have to go in properties. In properties, I have to go in environment variable. So I need to set the path of JDK where I have installed JDK. So in D drive, I have installed Java pin path. Right. Okay. And now I have to set the class paths. And for class path, I have to navigate to this lib directory. Okay, so we are all done. Okay, let's run command prompt. And here I have to check if Java is installed. I have to write this command, javac So you can see Java is now installed on my machine. Let me check Java version. So Java 1.8 has been set up on my machine. So next step is to install IntelliJ IDEA. So let me proceed with this. Here is we have IntelliJ IDEA. You can download it from IntelliJ IDEA website. Yes, here is the IntelliJ IDEA. We have to download the community edition from here on jetbrains.com website. Since I already have downloaded, so let me proceed with the installation. So I am waiting. Since I have clicked on installation, so this installation has been started. Click next. Okay. So space required is 2.7 GB. So I have to select any appropriate place where I should install this. So let me copy. Or I can create a folder in same D drive with the name IntelliJ IDEA. New folder IntelliJ IDEA. So I will proceed installation with this folder since it is taking too much space. G IntelliJ IDEA. You have to select this community edition, use paths, add open folder as a project, .java, .groovy, .git, .kts. Okay, so now installation has been started. You can see details from here, show details. So it will show you that how installation is progress. Okay, so I will reboot later. Let me click finish. So we are all good with the hello and welcome back to the Selenium setup video again. I have restarted my system and now I am going to start IntelliJ IDEA, which is installed in my D drive. So in order to start IntelliJ IDEA, I have to double click on this IntelliJ IDEA application and it will start one pop-up window for user agreement. Now I have to click on confirm checkbox, click continue. It is asking for data sharing. At the moment I am clicking on don't send. So now IntelliJ IDEA has been launched and let's wait. Once it will launch, I will try to create a new project, Java project, so that we can see that whether it is working fine or not. So let's wait. So now this project has been started, IntelliJ IDEA has been started, and now we can click start tour. It's a very interesting tour. I must say that you have to try this start tour if you want to learn IntelliJ IDEA. But now we are targeting to start new Java project. So let me click on new project. I have clicked on new project and it has detected JDK, and now we have to enter name of the project, and you can also create Git repository if you click this checkbox, but at the moment I will proceed without creating any Git repository. The default language is Java and the build system is IntelliJ. You can and the JDK is detected by IntelliJ IDEA, that is 1.8 now, and one checkbox add sample code is checked. Now create project and it will launch a new project. You can see here. Let me maximize the window. Here we go. So first Java project has been created, and you can see in source folder we have a main file. In order to see this main Java file, we have to double click, and then you can see a popular hello world program is already written in main class. And now in order to run this, we have to run from the run menu, and let's click on run, and we don't need to change any configuration. Now this run icon has appeared in line number 2, so we can run this main program. Okay, run, and now system has built. It asks me to allow access, and here we can see hello world program output is showing. So that's all from this demonstration. Thank you for watching IntelliJ IDEA Selenium setup and first Java project in IntelliJ IDEA.